What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. What's going on? How you guys doing? Chilling? I said it twice. Today what we're doing is it Wednesday? I don't know if it's Wednesday, yo. Sometimes if you want to release more than one video out in 1 week, it's probably Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. But so another DIY Wednesday. All right, guys. So today what we're bringing you is a product you might have seen. Some people had it, some people don't. You might have seen it on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, but it's from my homie over there, Ryker Holograms. You know what I'm saying? They sent me some Ryker Holograms. Y'all know what the holograms is, right? When it's a little light that points down in the ground that says Ryker, Kenny and Ryker, or whatever other things he has. He has a bunch of different things. We'll show you a little picture of his Facebook page. He has Instagram. I think he has Instagram too. No, only Facebook right now. Yeah. So when you purchase them, what you're gonna get is you're gonna get 2 of these hologram projectors. That's the word I was looking for. Hologram projectors. 2 of these hologram projectors in the box, and it actually comes with a drill bit. So if you want to drill a hole, so easy install. 2 wires, positive and negative, quick and easy. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be hooking it up to you're gonna hook it up to your accessory switch where it turns on when your bike turns on. You can hook it up to a toggle switch. So we're gonna be hooking ours up to a toggle switch. What we had to buy though, so what we're gonna do is how we're gonna be hooking ours up is, actually before we get to that, let's show you what it looks like. Oh, actually we can't hook the wires. Already unhook the wires. All right, so what I had to buy is I bought these brackets from off of Amazon. Little brackets right here. They're for like lights or something like that. Like usually they go around the pole. This go around the pole, and then they would hook a fog light on this for like an ATV or something like that. But we're gonna be using the opposite way. So, a couple people, the guy that makes these or that are supplying these, we'll call them Ryker Holograms. What he did is he installed his hologram inside the bottom of his ear box on either side. So what he did was drill the hole in the bottom of here and installed them in there. I've had these lights probably about 2 months now. But no, like knowing me and knowing you guys, you're not really into drilling holes into your bike. You know what I'm saying? So we had to figure out a way we can bring these to you guys without drilling holes into your bike. Because no one's gonna want to drill a hole into everything. You might, not for me. It's probably not for you. Some of you might do it, but don't knock it until you try it. So drill a hole into it. If you don't like it, just ride around with holes in your box. But what I got is we bought these right here, these brackets. I actually bought some different ones. They were too big here, so we bought smaller ones. I'm gonna put the link in the description for you guys so you get the right ones. And where we decided to put them at is the bottom of the max mount. Let me show you on this side. Come to this side. So if you look right here, we don't have the passenger seat, so we don't have pegs here. So we figured out that we're gonna be mounting these right about here, so they can project right here. We're gonna run the wires underneath and back down to the back, and that's gonna work for us because we ain't got a passenger seat and we gotta have holograms on the ground. Woohoo! You know what I'm saying? I could paint them white so they'll blend in more with my max mount, but we're not gonna do that right now. We're just gonna install them for you guys so you can see how we do it. So quick and easy. So I have a screw. I already have a screw that I'm gonna put in here. So I figured out what size screw goes in there. You probably can figure out if you got a back seat going to the back one here. So there's 2 screws. There's 2 holes there. We're gonna go to the back one. It actually comes with Allen keys as well. So if you need if you don't have Allen keys, it comes with them for you. Loosen that up. We're gonna be mounting it. So this is like an L bracket. We're gonna be having this L at the top like that. If you look at this big side and little side. We're gonna have the big side at the top. We're gonna make sure I have our screw on the outsides for any adjusting that we have to do. We're gonna take our hologram. We're gonna slide it right in there. All right, so what I had to do is, this hologram has threads on the bottom. So if you're gonna do it with, drilling the hole, if you're gonna drill a hole and do this thing, it has a screw thing here that screws off. So after you drill a hole, you slide it up in there, you screw this back onto it, and then you tighten this up to lock it in position so that it won't turn side to side when you're riding and stuff like that, and your hologram be in the right direction. But what I'm doing is, how we're doing is, we're gonna leave this all the way to the bottom, like so. And when I take this all the way off, because if you leave it on, it's a little tight to get in there, so you take it off, you can spread it out a little bit. We can spread it out just a little bit and get this all the way down. There we go. So spread it out a little bit, and I got it all the way to the bottom of there. Should be able to turn it still. Oh, I can't. It's actually too tight. So, all right. So I don't want to. I got it just a little bit above, so I can turn it either way once I get it on there. It's not really turning. All right. Well, you got the idea. We'll figure that out. All right, now we're gonna put this back on here. L bracket, actually, I just put that on here upside down. So let's take it back off one more time. Flip this over. All right, the reason I turned that over is because I want the screw to be on the outside. So when I put it on here, got the screws on the outside and the nuts on the inside. There's a little slot right here that the nut goes in. Here. And I got my little screw. Fuck, put it on wrong again. Alright, so I want this to be upside down that way. I want that way. Alright. Alright, so the L bracket is going to be up. If you look at this little block right here, I got the big part of the block on the top. That's just how I'm doing it. Skinny parts on the bottom. See the thickness of there. And that's how I want to do it. I want the screw on the outside so it's accessible. We're going to use the last hole on this thing here. And we're going to screw it inside here like so. Just screw this on here like so. Grab our Allen key that came supplied with it. And we're gonna leave them loose now. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this wire over to the other side. We're gonna crimp them together. We're gonna put them together. We're gonna put them onto a plug. We're gonna connect these together. We're gonna connect it to one side of this plug here. So if we ever want to take them off, the max mount off, we don't have to cut the wire. So we're gonna put them, we got these plugs on Amazon. Then we're gonna run a wire up to the front, and then we're gonna connect that other side of the wire to another set of plugs. So they're gonna be plugs on both sides. So if we need to disconnect from anywhere, fast disconnect without cutting wires. This is our new thing we're doing. Fast disconnect for everything. We're tired of cutting wires. You gotta bring your bike back to the shop for a warranty, and you gotta cut the wires. No more of that. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut to that, and you already seen me connect 100 wires. We're not gonna just show you this again, so check you when we're done. All right, guys, so we got them installed, nice and tightened up. So what I did was, there's a negative and positive, as you know, as I showed you, connected to negative and positive together into one. So they ran into one wire, connected to a plug, which you see right here. Plugged it in, zip tied it up, ran the plug down, all the way down to the front, as you can see. And then I ran it up to front here, where I have another plug, so I can plug it in. That plug is hooked it up to the toggle switch that I have up top here that I got from Brandon King, and now they're ready to go. So let's take a quick look at what they look like. There you go, guys. Halogen Ryker Holograms on Facebook. This is where I purchased them at. Well, they sent them to me. This is where you can purchase yours from. You need some holograms. He has a couple different options out there. All right, guys, so Ryker Halogens on Facebook, you can hit them up. Holograms, right? Ryker Holograms. I'll make sure I'll put, you know what I'm saying, we'll put a name down here on the bottom for you guys. Make sure, if you want some of these, get yourself some. Because if you use the code King Joffy Joe, mention my name, King Joffy Joe 413, you're going to save yourself $5. You know what I'm saying? How much do they cost? I don't know. But I know if you use my name, you're going to save yourself $5. You know what I'm saying? And guess what? That's $5 in your pocket to buy yourself something else. You know what I'm saying? These little brackets, I think I paid like $15 for those. So you buy yourself for the little bracket, like $15 I think I paid for those. So if you buy yourself the halogens, you're only gonna pay $10 for these because you're gonna save $5. You know why? You're gonna use King Joffy Joe 413 to save yourself $5. And you know what they're gonna do? They're gonna help your boy out. They're gonna get, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna get your boy a percentage of every sale that was used King Joffy Joe 413. You know what I'm saying? I said it again, you know what I'm saying? But hope you like this video. And you know what else I want you to do? If you like this video and you really appreciate what I just did for you guys, show you how to get installed this, brought you another product, you know what I'm saying? Thank me, you know what I'm saying? Do you see that little button down there? Super thanks, you know what I'm saying? You get the little super thanks. Boop, boop. Thank you, King. Thank you, Joffy. Thank you, Joe. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to call me, you know what I'm saying? Thank you, bro. You know what I'm saying? It'll help with the channel a lot. What that does is help us bring out more mods for you guys. You know what I'm saying? We got more mods. Last week, y'all seen the alarm install, right? $250 alarm. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want more stuff like this? Hit us up. Make sure you keep an eye out for next week's video. Next week's video, we're going to be doing Smitty's alarm. That's that budget alarm. Let's see how that goes. All right, guys? Until the next one. Peace.